Be happy because life is good. And don't ever forget to live the lemon life. Live the lemon life. Come on, everybody. Live the lemon.
Shut up.
Yeah. Oh, God. What is going on, guys? So I listen to music in a lot of different ways. My favorite way to listening to music is with my Beats Solo Pros, which, by the way, I actually reviewed these guys. I'll leave the link down in the description. I've also got my AirPods Pro, which are more comfortable. I also reviewed them. Links in the description. I've also got my HomePod, which is a great speaker, but that stays at home. And then there's Apple's Beats Pill Plus, which, by the way, fun fact, I've actually used a Beats Pill Plus for over like 4 years, 3 years. I love this thing. And my uncle, Felipe, shout out to Felipe, he actually got one. So I actually asked him if I could unbox the Beats Pill Plus, and I talk about it in the channel because you know, I actually use this thing daily and I really wanted to talk about it in the channel. So let's go ahead and unbox. I literally forget what the unboxing experience of the Beats Pill Plus is. Nothing in there. And then we just do like this, and boom, we've got stuff over here. The Beats Pill Plus actually does not have USB-C. We get a lightning cable, which, by the way, if you guys want a black lightning cable, it's a good way to have a black lightning cable. What else do we get in the box? We get a power brick, of course, black. All right, and then we also get this really fancy packaging over here. Am I doing this right? Oh my. Here's the Beats Pill Plus. Charge me up before you turn me on. Why? Paperwork and these Beats Pill and these Beats stickers. Where should I put this? I'm actually gonna steal this from my uncle. Felipe probably doesn't want this. And look at the white one. I want to put it somewhere. All right, instruction, warranty info, all that good stuff. Let's get on to the Beats Pill Plus. What the heck? I swear there is a spider on my camera right now. Look at this.
Go away. Go away. Oh my god.
As I was saying before, the freaking spider interrupted me. If you guys aren't following me on Apple Music, I don't know what you're doing with your life. I have 4 public playlists, which I update them every single Friday, which is awesome. There is Not in English, which is music that is not in English. Spanish music, basically. Fresh Lemonade, where I put the latest and greatest music of the moment. Then there is Old Lemons, which is the best oldies in the music industry. And then there is Breathe, the most calming lemons in the entire industry. Let's go ahead and put Fresh Lemonade.
Me.
This sounds. This
is I'm the only one.
So yeah, you guys get the point. The Beats Pill Plus sounds incredible, and I love the fact that it's 12-hour battery life. You can take it anywhere. The Beats Pill Plus is a speaker you can literally take anywhere. I've personally taken it anywhere within these 4 years that I've had this speaker, and battery life is still amazing. It's the speaker that I always listen to when I'm in the shower, when I go to the beach, when I go on a trip. Anything. It is an amazing speaker. It is awesome. That is it. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys want a review. And yeah, that's it. I'm gonna